Hi, good morning, all. Um, we shall start the webinar. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. I hope it is visible to all.
Yes, Amit.
Yeah. So for today, our topic is the Power BI, and we'll see like what is the agenda for today. What are the topics we are going to cover? So the key area is basically the reporting and analytics from SAP Business One, and what are the objectives for this? Like, what is the Power BI? How does it work? What are the key features of this? What impact it is going to have it on your businesses? We'll see some use case scenarios and then understand like what are the advantages of it and a short demo on this Power BI report. So, what is Power BI? Microsoft Power BI is basically a data analytics tool which allows us to process, analyze, and visualize the vast volumes of data. So this data can be coming from different sources. It can be from your ERP or from your different other solutions. Yeah. So you combining all that, we can create a single visualization or multiple depending on your needs. So this will help us in extracting the insights, getting the conclusions from there, share the results to the department. And we can also create different types of dashboards across various departments, which can be published and shared with them. So basically, Microsoft Power BI is used to find insights within the organization data, and it can also help you connect with the different data sets. So as of now, if someone is looking at an organization, they might not have a full picture and say someone is sitting at a CFO level and he would like to see the all the departments in a single go or at a single screen. So that is possible to create such kind of a view with the help of data models and charts, yeah, and present it on a single screen. So all this can be shared with the Power BI users within the organization. So how does the Power BI work? There is a first we need to design this report in the Power BI application, that is the desktop application, then publish this into the Power BI services, this Power BI report, and then give the access rights to the users, like what data they can view, what are the if there's any URL, like if you want to share it like an URL for the users to access, yeah, that is allowed in the system. So what are the key features of Power BI? First, it supports the hybrid development. That means the sources of data can be from the different systems. So the first is like as we all are using SAP Business One. So that is our core strength where the data has been collected. However, if you have other sources of data, that is like something like you have an HR system or maybe like a outside and CRM system, and you would like to bring that data also to this BI. Yeah. So that is possible to create a quick insights combining different data sets. How it does that? It uses a Power Query, yeah, where it transforms this data into a web visualization. So it will create a link, and it by using that link, you can see that data visualization that we will see in the demo how it looks like. The it uses a common data model. That means I can create my own database based on the different sources that I've used. So it is like a view that is created from different data subsets, and then this data source is available to create now my own dashboard. So like this, we can create one single data set, and from there we can create multiple views or multiple dashboards. It also has the customization features where we can change the appearance of the data visualization tool. So if you don't like any dashboards and you would like to change that visualization of it, maybe the influence is showing into a line graph or a bar graph. Yeah, you would like to change it into tabular format or a pie chart. So those customizations are available on the fly. You can add more filters to it. So that is already available, and this can be embedded into the core product like like any ERP you're using like SAP or any other screen that you would like to integrate. It is allowed using the APIs. So we'll see now what is the impact of Power BI on businesses. We'll take an example of this sales and customer insight. So all this data is available in our ERP, SAP Business One, and we can combine your data like your customers and sales orders with the Power BI dashboard and track the top selling products, customer profitability, and sales trends. So I will share with you one example. Like there was a distribution company. They were losing the repeat orders from the customer. So by using this Power BI dashboard, they got that detail insight that why they were losing this. Yeah, like which are the customer who have placed order the last month. Like they have been placing order for the continuous last 3-4 months, but they have slipped off this particular month or this particular quarter. So what they did, they launched the targeted promotion for those customers, and that increased the customer retention by 15%. So this is very classic scenario where Power BI has helped them in improving the customer retention and getting more repeat orders. Then we will also look at this second, which is the inventory and supply optimization. So a Power BI dashboard which visualizes the stock levels in real time gives you the turnover rate, supply performance. Yeah, all this data is coming from SAP V1. And when we look at in a real case scenario, a manufacturing firm which reduced the stockouts by 20% by just monitoring the real-time inventory dashboards, because it was predicting like if this particular stock is being this is very fast moving. Yeah, so they know exactly like what time they have bought in and in what time it goes out. Yeah, so they were able to reduce that stockouts by proper replenishing that. So they had a very few stockout scenarios compared to uh, someone looking at manually those reports and then replenishing it. There's another case study on this financial performance and compliances, where uh, like SAP Business One, your GL and transaction data can be transformed into a interactive P&L, cash flow, balance sheet, and reports. So in this case, what we have seen, like usually customers suffers with the quarterly what we call the management reporting. So they have to combine certain reports or certain data to present to the management, which requires certain level of Excel work, where they will have to extract the data and put it into an Excel and then create a report. So by using a Power BI, this has been improved at the month end or quarter end. They have improved this reporting. Instead of going manually through into an Excel, now it is coming directly through Power BI. So all those consolidations can be seen on a single screen. So which has speed up by 30%. So like the instead of one person just working on Excel and working out day and night just to get this data ready for the management, this can be done at a click of button using Power BI. So like this, there are many impacts. I've just shared few of them. We can discuss in detail after the demo, like what areas you are looking to improvise, and we can suggest or we can come up with a solution on that. So what are the advantages of Power BI with SAP Business One? So the first benefit is like this has the big data, like it captures the data for all sizes. Yeah. So it doesn't matter whether your organization is small or medium or large. Yeah, it doesn't matter. And it helps you to take decisions based on the data. Yeah. So not just by feeling, I feel like last month our sales were low, so we should do something. So decisions doesn't work like that in business. So you should have a strong data to support that. So that's where Power BI comes in and give you that insights in real time. It also uh, gives you a interactive data where you can deep dive into those data sites and get a story from it. Yeah. Say, for example, I would like to run a campaign. So before running a campaign, I should know what happened with the previous campaigns that we have run. Yeah, how much business we have got in a certain reason, how effective were they. So those kind of insights will be available only if you have a proper intelligence tool or a reporting tool which will help you in getting those insights. And thirdly, the Power BI is a secure platform. It has a lot of security features, and it is meeting all the compliance standards as per the industry. So the data is all protected with the user rights access. So nowhere the data will be leaked, and user will be able to access it securely in their environment. It also has the artificial intelligence capabilities. So the visualizations that are generated from that point, if you would like to further ask a system like a Q&A session with the report, that is also possible, where you can ask system like, if or based on certain insights, show me further, like how this data has been arrived, or what are the further insights available in this, what was the trend analysis on this. So this can go further deep, something like a human interaction. You can just type your questions and the system can answer what are the areas of concern, or it can give you suggested questions that you can ask based on the insights that have been generated. So if you look at more on the advantages, why Power BI? Because it is being constantly improved by Microsoft. They have been investing heavily on this, which shows that this is going to stay for long. And they are keep on adding the new features to this, which we'll look in today, like what are some of those features. And they have also have a Power BI app which runs on mobile. So once we have designed and published this dashboard, we can distribute with all the users within the company. Yeah. Whoever would like to access this, or it can be outside your like customers. Like if you would like to share certain dashboards or reports with your customers. Yeah. So with this small Power BI mobile app, they can have it on their phone as well. So now let's look at the report uh, uh, which we have developed on this Power BI. So here you can see a beautiful dashboard which has a lot of data presented on it. So instead of showing it, I would like to show you on a live screen. Yeah. So this is running on a browser, and you can see here like there are different parameters available where you can slice and dice the data. So like first slicer is here based on a date range where you can change a date, or you can choose a specific date range for which you would like to run this report. And you can see automatically data get refreshes based on the date range that you have selected. Further, you can dice this data based on a specific quarter that you would like to see, or any other category that you would like to run this report, or related to a specific customer name. That all is possible here. We'll see one by one. Let's say I would like to further dice this data by quarter. Yeah, you can see it has been reflecting in real time. I can even combine more than one quarter. Say I would like to see for Q1 and Q3 like this. So within the dashboards, you can further drill down and go to the next level, like this is showing me state-wise sales for these 2 quarters. Now I would like to see the numbers for this specifically. Yeah, so by just hovering on it, I can see it. The view is not very clear. I can maximize, I can go to a focus mode and have a clear view on this. Yeah, so I can see state by state what are the sales are there. If I would like to see a list of this, I can just say here, right click and show as a table. So I can have a clear sales quarterly for a given year, month, how they have been performing in each state. If you like this, you can export this to an Excel. Similarly, if you would like to take off this quarters, we can remove it here. And you can also see the distribution, how it is being done. If you would like to have a category wise details like accessory sales, if you would like to see, you can see in detail, like for which customers, what all sales we have done, and in which regions. You can further deep dive into the customers. For these customers, what accessory sales we have done, and in which states, and what was the shipment mode used for them. So this is in brief to show you like what capabilities the Power BI report can handle. It can now further go to the next level, like what are the influencing areas that is increasing or decreasing my sales. So this is the another area from the same data. What are the key influencers for increasing my sales? So again, you can see here on top the parameters are remaining the same. You still have the customers, categories, date range, and the quarterly sales here. So what happens? What influences like whether it is an increase or decrease? So when a quantity goes up, yeah, my discount goes down, and the average total sales increases by this amount. So you can see also a graph that is coming up here from this. If I would like to know what decreases the sales, there are different pattern parameters on this, like the quantity goes down. So in this case, the sales will also get decreased, and you can see the discount also goes up in this case. For different categories of the items, you can see the details here. And this also can be changed as per the like your requirement. Like if you would like to see it for a specific time period or quarter, so those slicing and dicing is still available on all the dashboard. So like this, we can design something very specific to your need. So you need to come up with the idea like this is what you would like to design it for your organization, and we can help you in achieving that. So that's it from my side. We are open for the Q&A.
For the Q&A.
So if you have any queries, you can ask. You can raise your hand or you can type in on the Q&A window, and we will answer those.
Amit, I think Hashif had some question about
Yeah,
the
you
today's
can
webinar. Yeah.
Hi, Amit. Thanks a lot for that introduction. It was an insightful one. I just wanted to
Hi, Mr. Ashish. Sorry, I'm unable to hear you. Can you please speak a
Audible
bit
now?
louder? Yeah, it's still on the lower side.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, please. Yeah, now okay.
Okay. So thanks a lot for that introductory presentation. I just wanted to understand if there's going to be any further advancement on the UI part of the report, especially the one that you showed on the sales part, on the sales
Yes.
analysis.
Yeah, it's possible. So basically, what we have shown you is as an example, like what is possible to do. Again, as I said, like what is your wish, like how you would like to represent that data. If you can come up with that, we can design it for you.
All right, and I hope, I mean, I'm not sure if I missed it, but you did not present the financial part of it. Am I right? The
Yeah. So
financial
this was
inventory.
yeah this was only the sales analysis that we were presenting today.
Okay.
The others are like, they are specific to customer need. What is their bottom line, like how they would like to improvise on it, because each industry is different. Like, for manufacturing it works different, for distribution it works different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So would we be able to get a further insights on specific topics, or can this be developed, or is this already a developed platform?
So this can be developed based on your inputs. So if you provide us like this is what you're looking for, we can develop it.
Perfect. Thank you. We stay in touch.
Sure, Mr. Akshay. Thank you. Do we have any other questions?
Hello. Yes, Emmett.
Hi,
Abdul
Mr. Abdul.
Abdul.
Hi,
How are
Abdul.
you?
How are you doing? Good.
That
Yeah, tell me.
it is finished for today because I keep my question in the end of the session.
Yeah. We are done for today. Yeah, you can ask your question, please.
Okay. This is BI. It will be integrated with SAP, right? What about the
Yes.
installation and the license? It will be provided. We should provide it from from your side or we outside.
Okay. Um, for licensing, this is available from Microsoft directly. We
Okay.
don't provide these licenses. It is available directly. So basically for viewing, yeah, you can use the free the standard licensing that is available with which is available with the Office 365. And if for development, we use a different license that is separate. So
Okay.
usually we will develop it like based on your need, and we will publish that report on your dataset and give it to you. So
Okay, only the design and the dashboard design and the development, it will be provided from your side
yes,
based
yes,
on our the customer requirement.
yeah.
Okay.
Uh, Hi Abdul, Vijay here. Just to update one more point here, like about licensing, it's optional. Like you can source directly from Microsoft website. We are also can
Okay.
help you with that.
Okay. I get it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Emmett, thank you, Vijay.
Hello, Amit.
Yeah, hi, Joseph.
How are you? All is good?
Good. Yeah.
Well,
Tell me.
thank you for the presentation.
Yeah.
I have a question regarding the sales overview dashboard. It currently reflects data from only one database and not a consolidated with others, right? So if you have
Okay.
different entity, the sales
Hmm.
overview reflect the one for one entity.
Yeah. So this is basically coming from a data set. Yeah. So this data set can be from one database or from multiple databases.
Okay.
Yeah.
Be
So it
from
doesn't matter. Yeah.
the one dashboard.
So yes, it will be one dashboard. So the view that we are going to create, the source can be from multiple entities.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah. So Power BI has this Power Query tool which allows us to pull data from multiple sources.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter, like it can be multiple entities or it can be a data sitting outside SAP also. So if you would like to combine something, say for example, you have a commission structure and you have a sales figure that is coming from SAP. So this commission structure is sitting in Excel, say for example. I would like to combine these two and create a view and then generate a dashboard based on that. So that is also possible.
Clear. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Yeah, if we don't have any further questions, we'll wait for like 2 minutes, then we'll wind up. Okay, so we don't have any more questions. We will end this event. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again for
Thank
joining
you,
today.
Amit. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.